Good morning, students. Now we continue with the data structure with the new concept algorithm. So, what is the algorithm? We know that the programs we can we can write the different programs in different programming language. So, when we write the programs in programming language, there are the different steps are when we go into actual codes. Actual code means what? The actual program we write by using the programs. But before that, when you want a program with a very clear and easy, then we have to follow the algorithm and flowchart concepts. These are the very basic concepts, algorithm and the flowchart. When the concept of the software designing comes, there are the different steps are there at the designing of the software. In that, algorithm and flowchart is also there. So when the programmer is going to write a program, the programmer should go from the algorithm and the flowchart for the clarification of the steps and easy for the steps. So what is the algorithm? Algorithm is what? It is the steps of the program which has written by using the English words. It is called as a algorithm. So what is the steps written using English words. It is called as a algorithms. Okay. So when we are writing the algorithms, that time we write the steps. For example, we perform the program addition of the two numbers in any programming language. We consider the example of the C++ program. Okay. So when we write a program in a C++ for the addition of the two numbers, normally what we do, we accept the two variables from the user. We store the data in these two variables, then we perform the procedure, then we store the output, then we display the output like this normally. A and B, these two variables we take, then A is equals to 3, B is equals to 2, then C is equals to A plus B. Then we perform C is equals to 3 plus 2, that is the C is equals to 5. So by using the C out statement, we write the result. This is a normal programming. Declaration of the variable, assigning the values to the variable, perform the operation, store the result and display the result. These are the programs. That is the steps of the program when we write the C++ program. But when we know in actual or in advance the steps of the program, then it will help the programmer to write the steps easily. So writing the programs in an English word, it is called as the algorithm. Now when we actually go for the algorithm, then we have to follow the notations of the algorithm. There are the standard format of writing the algorithm. There are the different formats. First one is a step, control and the exit. This is the first. So when we write the algorithm, we should have to write the algorithm stepwise. Algorithm should contain steps. Okay, so step. Second one is the control. Control means what? How we control the program. There are different control structures of programming in particular language. For example, we consider C++, there is a go-to statement is there. This is a go-to statement means what? We can jump from one programming line of program to the another directly. It is called as a go-to statement and it comes under the control. Means if you executing the line number 3 and from that line number 3 you want to go somewhere in a program directly by using the go-to statement. So it is called as a controlling of the program. And next one is the exit. When you finish algorithm, then at the last you have to write the exit statement. That is, it is the end of the statement. So first we have to follow the steps. Means we have to write the program in a steps. Second, control. If you want to control your program, different control structures are there. Example as a go to. Then third one is a exit statement. If you want to finish your algorithm, then at the last you have to write the exit. Then second one is the comments. So what is the comments in a C++ or any programming language? That comments means what? It gives the additional information of that particular code in a program. It is called as a comments, and these comments are for the purpose of the programmer. If we write the software in a user, and if you want to write it afterwards by any other programmer, that time you have to use the comments. Means number of the programmers can handle the same code, but they can get the information. That is the additional. So in comments, you can write the comments in algorithm at the beginning or at the end of the steps. It is called as a comments. Then third one is the variable. When you declare the variable in an algorithm, that time you have to declare that variable in a capital letter. For example, mass is equals to 50. So this is the variable. Int mass is equals to 50. This is called as a declaration of the variable in a algorithm. Next one is the fourth, input and output. So what is the input and output? In a programming language, input and output means what? Input, you have to give some input to the program. It is called as the input, and the output. If you want to display any output from your program, then you have to use the output. So these are the algorithmic notations. First one is the step control exit. Second one is the comments. Third one is the variable, and fourth one is the input and the output. So these are the different algorithmic notations that you have to follow while writing the algorithm. So clear with the algorithm? Algorithm is nothing but it is the steps written in English of a program. Now we'll see the simple example of the algorithm. Now we see the algorithm for the addition of the two numbers. Okay, so addition of the two numbers, what we require? We require the two variable to store the two number. Third variable store the result. Now, when we write the algorithm, starting should be with the steps. So with step 1, declaration of the variable. Step 2, accept the values. Of variable. Step 3, perform the operation. Here operation means we are going to addition of the two numbers. So here we perform the addition. Then step 4, display the result. And the step 5, that is the stop. So exit or stop you can write. So this is a simple example of the algorithm. Addition of the two number, declaration of the variable. Suppose we require the three variable A, B and the C. Accept the value from the user, that is the A is equals to 3 and B is equals to 2. Then perform the operation means what? C is equals to A plus B. Means here 3 plus 2. So it becomes 5. Display the result. So C is equals to 5. So these are the programming steps that we have written in English words step by step. It is called as a algorithm. So getting what is algorithm? Writing the steps of a program by using the English word, it is called as a algorithm. So when we going to perform any program, it is a very good practice to write the program with the algorithm. And when you are writing the program and algorithm, just follow this algorithmic standard notation, which will help to write the correct algorithm.